So, if you've been watching my stories, you'll know what's inside this bag. Obviously, you read from the title of the video, but today has been one of the most insane days in terms of products. Like, let me show you guys something real quick. Just take a look. Everything you see right here, guys, these all came in today. It's insane. We got so many products from Joby, OnePlus, Sandmark. Huawei came in with this huge package with so much goodies inside of there. I can't wait to open this up. My order came in from OVO with this big hoodie, some jeans. I actually got that from the mall today. I wish I vlogged today, guys, but I didn't end up vlogging because I was like, I'm just picking up the iPhone. But I ended up having like a crazy day. I saw a couple friends at the mall. But yeah, what I really want to do is just, I was just gonna open the iPhone 12 because, here we go, it's the iPhone 12. I was just gonna open it, but then I said, let me actually show you guys the unboxing experience and also set up the device with you guys, because I did it with my iPhone 12. Then a lot of people are saying, hey, how do you do your home screen, blah blah blah. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox the device, and then you guys could organize your apps with me. So you could watch me organize my apps. I don't know if you guys like this type of video, but then of course I will have reviews up on this thing. I'm still working on my iPhone 12 review. I got this in the 202, is it the 512 gig version. So, you know, that's a lot of storage. I've never had so much storage before, but this was the only option they had, so I had to get this one. But yes, guys, let's jump on to the unboxing. Alright guys, so here we go. iPhone 12 Pacific Blue unboxing for the first time. Ooh-wee. Put that magical plastic to the side. Let's rip this thing open. And wow, that blue is gorgeous. Oh my god. Let me just put this to the side real quick. Feels heavy too. Feels way heavier than my iPhone 12. So of course we get the USB-C cable inside, and then just regular Apple stickers and papers, SIM ejector tool that may come in handy, but for me it's not. So yeah, that's it. That's all we get inside the box. And now for the satisfying part, we gotta peel this paper off real quick. Not as satisfying as I expected, but there we go, guys. Look how clean this thing is, man. It's so beautiful. It looks so premium. I feel rich just holding this device. Turn it on real quick and do a quick comparison between the iPhone 12 over here, so you guys could see the two different blues. Let me know what your favorite blue is. I'm liking the Pacific blue though. It's looking amazing on right now, guys. Damn. But the side is gonna get real fingerprinty real soon. I can already tell, because it's stainless steel, and the iPhone 12 over here has a matte finish, so the sides won't get fingerprints, but the back does get fingerprints. On the iPhone 12 Pro, we have a frosted back glass design. So yeah, the fingerprint locations are inverted. Okay guys, so I think my phone just finished updating. So now I need to organize my phone because it's not looking that good right now. But the physical phone itself is looking gorgeous. Also, as I said before, I have a couple cases that I want to test out that I think would look best. So we have the white case, the black one, and the deep navy case right here. and I think these would look good. So I'm gonna try the navy one first. And look at that, guys. When you enter the case, the color changes on the screen. But this is what the deep navy looks like. White background. You see that? Every time you add the MagSafe to it, that happens. Oh, this looks so clean. This white one is a vibe, guys. The black one, no MagSafe. Wow. But here's the black. The black is super clean as well. Which one should I rock, guys? Let me know. White, deep navy blue, or black? Let me know down below in the comments. Alright, guys, so my iPhone has finished setup as you guys saw previously. But now I'm going to organize my iPhone, get my nice wallpaper, customize everything. So if you guys always wanted to see how I customize my iPhone, this is the perfect video for you. But if you do not want to watch that, this might be the end of the video for you guys. So thanks for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and let's try to hit 500 likes on this video, and comment down below what's your favorite iPhone color for this year. But yeah, for those who want to see me customize my iPhone, grab your popcorns, get some food, get some drinks, and let's enjoy this iPhone 12 Pro. Let's go, baby. Honestly, shout out to everyone who stick around to see me edit my home screen, but I'm finally finished. So at the front, as you can see, we have the red theme because I love to have my YouTube stuff at front. Then of course we have stack widgets as usual. Right there on the second page we have the black theme, the Dior. Shout out to ASAP, and on the last page we just have a little motivation with some social media apps that I use a lot. But yeah, that's basically it for my home screen and organization. Hopefully I could get all the wallpapers for you guys, but if it's not there, I'm sorry, because I'm super tired and I'm trying to upload every single day. But yeah, as I said before, huge thanks to everyone who sticked around to watch this, like, organizing my apps part. And as always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. By the way, this blue iPhone 12 Pro is gorgeous, man. Just take a look at it one more time before we go. This thing is a beauty.